Hello everyone. Today's topic is Mission Mausam. Mission Mausam was launched in the lines of IMD, Indian Meteorological Department, completing its 150th anniversary. This is important for Prelims 2025. This mission is a multifaceted initiative to boost the India's weather and climate related science, research and also services. This is being implemented by Ministry of Earth Sciences. In phase 1 till 2026, it will be adding Doppler radars, high-performing computers, wind profilers, and radiometers to the all equipment. In phase 2, it would be adding wide network of satellites and aircrafts. It will also set up a cloud stimulation chamber at the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, where it would be testing some climatic conditions like the cloud seeding and other interventions. This mission is being implemented by 3 institutions under Ministry of Earth Science. First one, Indian Meteorological Department. Second, National Center for Medium Range Weather Forecasting. Third, Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology. Do let me know in the comment section what are the names of satellites which India has sent for weather forecasting purposes. Now, let us see Indian Meteorological Department's history and achievements. It is celebrating 150 years of excellence. It was established in 1875. It has been a forefront in many disciplines like the meteorology, seismology, and also the other discipline related to it. IMD has replaced all its mercury barometers with digital barometers by the UNEP's Minamata Convention. It has also achieved many technologies like the indigenous radar in 1958, also Indian satellite products collaboration with ISRO since 1983, then automatic weather station since 2000, Doppler weather radar since 2010, common alerting protocol since 2019, impact-based forecast since 2019. Also, the latest one is the Dynamic Composite Risk Atlas since 2022. Mausamgram is an interactive dynamic meteorogram which provides the specific location and its weather conditions. Thank you.